Wait for me, come. Wait for me, come.
Di ba kasi bawal yun?
You look as good as the day I met you, but I forgot this what I've been saying. Stay and play the Blink-182 song that we beat to death in Tucson. Okay. I know we breaks your heart. Moved to the city in a broke down car. 4 years no call, and I'm looking pretty in a hotel bar. And I can't stop. No, I can't stop. So baby, pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover that I know you can't afford. Like that tattoo on your shoulder, pull the sheets right off the corner of the mattress that you stole from your roommate back in Boulder. We ain't ever getting over. Iiwan tayo?
Feeling ka doon?
And yes, nakalagpas na kami sa immigration. May tatak yan, Ani? Tinatakan yan? Ay, dyan mo ako picture, Ani? Ay,
Tingin din. Karayuan ka man. Ani, tingin. Digdi. Mag-smile ka, digdi.
pwede nakang-post?
Ayun sa post. Ayun sa post.
Ay,
ba tayo ngayon?
Oo, Uni!
Bakit? Ano oras ako?
5 na!
7 boarding.
Ma-boarding kita 7. Ma-serve na 20 minutes. Matakawa ka din din. Tapos, bigyan na kami. Hawak kasi passport ko. Yes, hello mga kapangats. We're here now sa Terminal 3 ng NAIA. We're bound for Singapore at 8:35 in the evening.
Okay na lang. Sige na. Doon ka na. Yan.
Ano nga sabi ko ng ibong ko? Guys, papasok na kami sa airplane. Anyways, direction na kami sa pila. Kapila kami ngayon. And hindi ko natindihan. Siyempre, papalakas ako na ang volume nito. Ay. Hello mga kapangits, papasok na tayo sa airplane. Our flight is 8:35 p.m. So, probably on time naman. So, good evening again. And we're finally on the airplane going to Singapore. Ito the 4-hour flight. And let's see what can we do on that one.
Ito po ang Cebu Pacific lipad bilang 5J803 patungong Singapore. Kung hindi po ito ang inyong tamang lipad, magbigay lang sa inyong cabin crew.
May we request all guests to stow your hand luggage properly under the seat or in the storage bins above you if you are seated next to it.
3 hours and 10 minutes to the altitude traffic and weather permit will be at 35,000 feet. Weather and route is forecasted to be fair, and Singapore weather updates shall be reported prior to our descent. Your safety and comfort is always our priority. We request all guests to pay attention to announcements from the flight attendant cabin. Your usual patience, full cooperation, and compliance are highly appreciated. Please do not hesitate to call on the attention of our cabin crew should you require further assistance or clarification on these important measures. We wish you a safe and pleasant journey. Thank you for flying Cebu Pacific.